when we bought this house. That was the only guttering. This is the only piece of gutter we have at the whole house. One piece. So this one piece just doesn't cut it. It tends to come down that part of the roof straight down to here, and for the most part it hits a trash can and one of those drain things, whatever those are. Until I add gutters, I do this. Put a little weight in there just to help keep it there. Neighbor dogs. So essentially we have no gutters, and this house has already had foundation work done. Foundation work, more foundation work. So we're gonna need to get some gutters. But one of the main reasons we need gutters is if we come home and it's raining, we have no gutter here, and that comes right down that apex to there. And we need to get that fixed, and you could also tell that the water is dripping down there and deteriorating that. So what's the best type of gutters that you all have used? I've used the metal ones, which are always a pain. I've seen the vinyl ones at Lowe's. I don't know if Home Depot has them, which look clean, and they offer a smaller version. But we have these trees all around us. I don't know how much they would get clogged if you could put any type of leaf filter on a Lowe's brand gutter. Yeah. Back of the house. This is the back of the porch. No gutters. This is the back of the house next to the porch. No gutters. This is the whole west side of the house. No gutters along the whole thing. None. No gutter. She just got home. In front of the house. No gutters. No gutters. Still no gutters. The whole east side of the house. No gutters. But guess what? You're about to see some of the importance of gutters. So it's kind of weak right now, but if we get more rain, it'll definitely swing out to the trash can lid. The importance of gutters. So you can see the rain hits the ground and trenches it where it falls off the roof. It's not good for the house. That's one reason you need gutters. It's like a cow pissing on a flat rock. This is the other reason you need gutters, because if you come home and it's raining, you get rained on from the house.